All right, let's just dive right into this explainer. We're talking about the hidden vulnerability in everyday life. Those escalating, often completely invisible legal dangers that are just kind of lurking out there in everyday driving. Frankly, they're dangers most of us don't even realize we have until it's way, way too late. So today, we're going to look really closely at a platform called GoVia and how it essentially acts as a real-time shield against these massive vulnerabilities. But first, I want you to really think about this question. What happens when the official record is legally worthless? Just let that sink in. Most of us just naturally assume that after an accident, the police report is going to swoop in and save the day, right? But as you're about to see, relying on that official piece of paper can actually leave you incredibly exposed. All right, Section 1, the hidden everyday vulnerability. Let's get into it. Look, most of us go decades without so much as a fender bender. But when they do happen, wow, human memory just fragments almost instantly. We've all been there, or at least know someone who has. What one person absolutely swears was a green light, the other remembers as red. Adrenaline is pumping, stories start shifting, and by the time law enforcement actually rolls up, you're stuck in this huge he said, she said scenario that has almost zero resemblance to reality. Video evidence, on the other hand, it's immutable, it's real time, it doesn't flinch. Which brings us to Section 2, the police report problem. So here is the absolutely shocking reality for a lot of folks dealing with the legal aftermath of a crash. Courts consistently hold that police accident reports are inadmissible hearsay. You might be wondering why. Well, mostly because the officer didn't actually witness the crash firsthand. In places like California, for example, Vehicle Code Section 2013 explicitly precludes these reports from civil trials. You literally cannot rely on them to establish liability in court. Crazy, right? And hey, this is exactly where GoVia enters the picture for everyday adults. It's capturing video evidence in real time, totally eliminating that ambiguity. Because unlike us, the camera doesn't panic, it doesn't embellish the details, and it has absolutely no stake in the outcome. It just sits there and preserves the absolute truth in those critical, high-stress moments. Moving right along to Section 3, high stakes for CDL drivers. Now, what happens when the person behind the wheel isn't just commuting to the office, but is carrying the weight of their entire career? For the millions of Americans holding a commercial driver's license, the stakes are, well, they're astronomically higher. This isn't just a drive, it's the credential that feeds their family. And a single at-fault accident? Yeah, that can end all of that in a heartbeat. These drivers are navigating a literal maze of federal regulations on a daily basis. But honestly, their greatest danger is completely out of their hands. Think about it. If the other party lies to law enforcement, the commercial driver's livelihood is crippled before they can even get an attorney on the phone. Without solid video proof, they're out there arguing against a lie that insurance companies might have already just accepted as fact. So GoVia protects these drivers by instantly encrypting and preserving that video evidence straight to the cloud. It creates this ironclad, secure chain of custody. It can't be lost on the side of a rainy highway, it can't be accidentally overwritten, and it can't be excluded from a grand jury proceeding. It is for sure their ultimate insurance policy against false accusations. Okay, Section 4, the employer liability trap. Let's zoom out even further for a second to the companies that are actually putting those drivers on the road. When a fleet vehicle crashes, employers are hit with immediate, cascading consequences. To navigate a mess like that, they absolutely can't wait days for a paper report. They need to know the what, who, where, how, and why, the precise second it happens. It all comes down to this legal doctrine called respondeat superior. Basically, it's a fancy way of saying the employer is legally tied to whatever their employee does on the job. And because trucking companies typically carry anywhere from $750,000 to $5 million in commercial liability coverage, well, this doctrine instantly paints a massive target on their backs for litigation. And the ripple effect here? It's staggering. Actually, scratch that. It's more like an absolute avalanche. It's a vicious cycle where a crash leads to delayed, time-sensitive freight, which disrupts the supply chain, which then leads to devastating FMCSA compliance fines. That damages their safety scores, which ultimately massively hikes up their insurance premiums. It just never ends. Let's dig even deeper. Section 5, the rabbit hole of negligence. So, if you thought standard liability was a nightmare, wait until you hear about negligence per se. It's terrifyingly automatic. Something as simple as a routine hours of service violation or running a stop sign can make both the driver and the employer automatically liable as a matter of law. I mean, boom, zero room for argument. And the rabbit hole goes so much deeper than that.
Say a company fails to vet a driver with past DUIs, bam, they face negligent hiring. If they ignore repeated speeding complaints but keep the guy on the payroll anyway, that's negligent retention. Suddenly, these companies aren't just paying to fix a broken bumper, they are facing massive, potentially company-ending punitive damages.
But honestly, here is the most terrifying part of this entire explainer: the timeline of disappearing evidence. In this industry, essential dashcam footage can just vanish in 24 to 72 hours. Poof, gone. Black box data, usually overwritten in 30 days. In the legal world, this is called spoliation of evidence. And if a company loses this data, courts can literally throw out their entire legal defense.
Which brings us to our final section, Section 6, Evidence, Transparency, and Justice. So how on earth do we stop this avalanche of liability and keep things fair? Simple, by capturing the evidence at the exact moment of the incident. GoVia creates this undeniable, immutable record that stops routine data overwrites and intentional evidence destruction dead in its tracks. It establishes true liability and defends against false claims right from the jump.
This is a literal paradigm shift. GoVia is offering profound peace of mind for everyday adults, absolute protection for CDL holders whose entire careers are on the line, and that crystal clear reliability that commercial employers desperately need when they're managing risk.
Because think about it, no longer will victims have to rely on fading memories or totally inadmissible police reports. No longer will professional drivers find themselves defenseless against lies, and no longer will employers be left completely in the dark during a massive crisis.
Modernizing these encounters puts the power right back into the individual's hands. GoVia ensures every single adult has an undeniable chance to tell their story accurately, connecting them instantly, in real time, to the attorneys and mental health professionals they need to protect their livelihoods and their futures. Because here's the absolute truth: the evidence clock starts ticking the literal second an accident occurs. You simply cannot afford to wait around for the police to sort it all out. Make sure you're prepared. When the unexpected happens, will your story be preserved before the truth disappears? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer today, guys. Stay safe out there on the roads.